everybody. Welcome to Educational Views. I am Angela Houston, Angela M. Houston. You can catch me at angelamhouston.com, where you can teach, create, and lead. Lead without leaving the education field. And with us, we have Tiffany and Angel. Tell everybody what you do.
Hi, my name is Tiffany. I am a teacher here, and I have my own cup business.
Where the cups at, girl?
Hi, this is Angel. I am a secretary in the school district.
All right, we need the secretaries. We do not discriminate. We want to know what's going on in the whole educational world. Because without the custodians, without the lunch ladies and the lunch managers and the lunch people in the lunchroom, without the people at the front desk, it ain't running.
That's right.
Running and people running up to my classroom trying to get in there. Y'all stop a lot. Come through, Shira. Yes. All right. So how was your day? It's like the first week of the kids come next week. Last week you had professional development. This week you had professional development. What's going on? What calls are you getting? What technical issues are you having?
I don't know. Do we got enough time for all of that?
Yeah. The people need to know what we deal with.
Tiff, you want to go first?
Okay, so this year at my school, my role has changed just a little bit. So I am I'm a specialist teacher this year. So I'll be doing everybody K-6 as a special. I'm a STEM teacher. I can't honestly say that first day of school joy that you normally have, that waking up, I'm jazzed, about to see my babies, who's changed, who's grew up, whose voice starting to drop, who left and came back. I woke up Monday like, yeah, it's the first day of school.
Yeah.
Normally, I'm like a big kid. I'm up at 4 a.m. I'm all geeked. I'm ironing my fresh shoes, makeup. I'm about to be cute.
That's your first day of school outfit, like everybody else.
School outfit.
Right.
Taking pictures from my mama. Like, look, you're 14. I was like,
first day of school outfit. I mean, the first day of school pictures too, like
yes.
the kids.
I was like, first day of school. Yay.
Right.
Most of the challenges, I will say, and I would love everybody to know that trying to teach remotely is way harder than planning for the kids to be in the building. The jitters of trying to preconceive what may go wrong, because my first class of the day is going to be kindergartners, and I'm about to deal with people at their very first day of school and their very first year of school via iPads.
Yeah.
So I'm all like, I got these wonderful lessons planned, but I'm like, yeah, we might spend the first couple weeks just how to navigate platforms.
Right.
And by it being STEM, it's still technological, but it won't be the stuff that I really want them to do that they could do if they were in the building.
Right. Well, logging on to the, getting on the iPad and knowing where stuff is and not doing this.
Right.
The whole time. Or you remember when FaceTime first came out and my son, he would always be like, instead of looking at you, he'd look at the camera and look at Jalen. That's what they're going to be doing, looking at themselves. All right, Angel.
But no, they should have got some experience with it at the end of the school year, talking to their teachers.
No, she's got kindergarten.
James was in kindergarten last year. He talked to
these are first-year kindergartners.
They didn't
never been in school before.
They might have done preschool, but most preschool, I don't think we did preschool.
No, but James, it was his first time doing video stuff last year. He never had to do video things talking to his teacher.
But they didn't have a teacher last year, the kids I'm talking about.
Oh, okay, yeah. Yeah, might as well. Yeah. Okay, gotcha. So, sorry.
And they might have to use an iPad because that's pretty much what they do. They get on YouTube and but it's going to be to navigate the Zoom features and to be on there with other people. Because like I said, it's something that you got to get used to. Seeing cell phone video and hearing yourself and seeing other people. And it's just like, it's like a weird virtual reality, especially in kindergarten. But who knows? It could just be nothing to them because this is their normal.
Yeah, it could be.
All right, Angel.
Okay. So the life of a secretary.
What happened?
I will say
secretary, front office staff.
But no, I'm talking nothing but the secretaries right now because it's a whole new level.
Okay.
You have a majority of the parents in the system, in the district, who have not updated their phone messages, and then they want to call at the last minute and find out all the details. We just sent robocalls, we just sent emails, we did. I mean, every type of smoke signals, everything, and they still call. When is device pickup? What my child's teacher haven't called me. Oh, let me check to see what number we have in the system. Oh, that number been gone about 5 or 6 years. Like, ma'am, you got a whole attitude because the teacher didn't call you because she did call you, but you don't have the number to work right.
Right.
Yeah, I get cussed out a lot throughout the day.
I bet you do.
And so how do you handle that? That's what people said. They were like, I can't be a teacher. I was like, I can't be in the front office. Because like I said, you guys are the first line of defense against all things not so pleasant.
Well, I would say my mentor has taught me not to take it personal. I'm learning not to take it personal, but that South Side girl come out sometime. Like, I don't know who you talking to, but I have learned to grow a whole lot.
You got to check people, though.
I've told people, ma'am, you're not going to keep using that language to me, ma'am. You're not going. Okay, you know what? I'm going to hang up the phone right now because you keep using this language. I'm telling you exactly what I'm going to do. You're not hearing me. Okay, have a nice day and hang up the phone. Then I go in the back and scream and holler, fuss, and
everything. Because you can't. You're like, I need my job. I cannot lose my job. Yeah. So yeah.
We had several things going on today, and luckily it's 2 of us in the office, and the other secretary, she was rocking it. She was in charge. She was bam, 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 do this. And you got people who don't want to work. Yeah, people don't want to work. They just want to sit and get paid. Like, this is why we going through this now, because y'all don't want to do that. It's simple. Stuff a book bag. That's all. Stuff a book bag.
Why y'all? But see, my thing is, why do y'all have to do that stuff? They're just certain stuff like, they had me delivering books today. This ain't Amazon Prime. You didn't tell me to come. Then I come to work looking all cute. I got my dress on. Luckily, my dress was long. I have on sandals. And they're like, oh, we need these books delivered to this school and this school and this school. I'm like, you told me to put my gym shoes on, like, or come dressed in a different way. And of course, I did it because I knew the orientation was today, so I wanted the kids to have their books. But sometimes I feel like they just because you're gonna do it, because they know we're gonna do it, and that's just not fair.
Yeah, we had 829 pounds worth of books delivered today that we had to distribute in book bags, all math books today.
Same.
Yeah.
And so did the teachers help you guys, or did you guys just do it?
Huh?
Did the teachers help you guys, or did you guys just do it?
No, I'm not trying to be funny, because y'all teachers don't do nothing. They don't help us. They don't.
Hold on.
They don't. You may have 1 or 2. I would say that. You may have 1 or 2 that feel sorry, but they're like, oh my gosh, I just envy you guys so much, but you're not helping my back right now because I done picked up cases of books. Yeah.
Well, I would shout out our paras. Our paras did the dang thing. They delivered the books. They delivered the book bags. They helped stuff them and everything. So I'm gonna shout out our paras. They did the dang thing today.
Yes, I definitely appreciate paras.
And some of them do a great job of helping. It depends on the culture. And we have a lot of people who don't want to do work. And then we got other people who like
themselves overboard.
We have sign language interpreters who are now paras. They not understanding their new role right now. And as the principal explained, hey, it's all hands on deck. Whatever's the norm is not the norm anymore. We all got to do what we got to do to get this job done. Otherwise, there's no justification for you getting paid, and then you can go home.
Right.
So wait, was it because the district made the cuts? Is that why they are now paraprofessionals? Because
they're still technically sign language interpreters, but their job description has changed now to paraprofessionals, in the sense of y'all have to do something else besides, because there's nobody to talk to.
Nobody to interpret for.
Like you, I know stuff with gang signs.
No, but I mean, some of them have been awesome, some of them not, and it's like, I love every last one of them, but I also accept people for who they are.
Yep. Gotta know where everybody is. Yep.